Today's video we will see how to fix the ring chime not flashing green, setup mode and power troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the power outlet. Unplug the ring chime, plug it directly into the different wall outlet, avoid extension cord if possible. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to see if any LED appear. Fix 2. Put the chime into the setup mode. The flashing green light indicates the chime is ready for setup. So press and hold the setup and reset button on the side of the chime for 15 seconds. Release the button and wait up to 1 minute for the green light to be begin flashing. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. So keep the chime plugged in and hold the side setup button for the 15 seconds. Then release the button and allow the chime to reboot. Now open the ring app and choose set up a device to pair it again. Fix 4. Wait for the device to finish booting. So leave the chime plugged into the 5 to 10 minutes. Watch for the LED to change from solid green to a flashing green setup light before trying again. Fix 5. Check the LED color. So different LED color indicator differently problem. Flashing green means ready for setup. Solid green means booting up. Flashing blue means trying to connect to rebooting. Alternate red or green, incorrect Wi-Fi password. Solid red, Wi-Fi connection fail. No light, normal idle state if already configured or possible power issue. Fix 6. Completely set up in the Ring app. On the LED flashing green, open the Ring app and set up a device. Scan the QR code on the chime, connect it to your home Wi-Fi and complete the setup. Fix 7. Contact Ring support. If your Ring chime still would not enter setup mode or flashing green after trying the troubleshooting fixes, contact Ring support for further assistance. Next, the official support page, then the live chat. Available through the Ring support page during the supported hours. Goodbye and thanks for watching.